It's crazy the pressure that comes off of this, and actually, even my short hair, I feel it hitting into it. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. All right. Wow. So what's your name, man, or what's in here?
Tyler Smith, 6 DB4s with Directronics recones, 3 Crossfire 8Ks and a half.
Fourth order?
Fourth order, yes sir.
Who built this? Looks good. Do you know what it's tuned to on it?
48.
It's like demo musical, and it doesn't fall off. Nope. And it's punchy and windy, everything really.
That was the goal, 26 to 55.
Wow, yeah, nice job. Fourth orders are perfect for that.
Oh yeah.
And you got good cone control, and you actually feel the subs cooling off.
Oh yeah.
Handling the power.
Stick your hand in the port. There's some heat in there.
Oh, I feel it. Oh yeah, you were hitting it, man.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, sure, man. appreciate that. Well, it's crazy the pressure that comes off of this, and actually, even my short hair, I feel it hitting into it. You know what I mean? It's like pulling it off. It's crazy. I appreciate that, man. Holy smokes! Have you done any kind of SPL on it? Do you know?
I have, but I don't need her.
Thank you very much, man. I like your bass knob.
Yeah, PHP design.
There we go. Awesome. Appreciate it, man.
Oh, yeah,
Oh, thank you.
Yep.
Wow. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.